Kaso ka jelam tak sengi ka wanra ek polisi hakabiadai berkitu ki bakwa ban Kamai ber Aiwai gi Shaka berkikali syagi breu berkitoris. Naduk mta kiriu simet kim la syu ban syu Aiwai ne Kamai gi Shaka ni gi kali kat baki Kwah handai gi hab ban register hak Tnad transport hadaki kila ni kam ka jingilang kenhun menteri ni kabinet mentak sengi kala siming ni karai ban telakam ya jing Kamai ba jing Aiwai pathar giru simet ya ki Shaka berkali hagi nongwan kai ni gitoris bar kisya giru pajba mitrang wa kajela konat ki sangmal ong ba lembaga regulating tourist vehicle rental kinu gi ba Aiwai gi kali simet ni gi Shaka ru Nongjngohkai kidai ban register hak Tnad transport bat kani kalong ban wanra ya jing singa ya Nongjngohkai ki ba simbai bat ban wanra ru ya jing long renti.
The first two was a policy and a legal framework for motorcycles and vehicles to be rented out to tourists and to people. As you're aware that many tourists come to our state and they rent vehicles from the private individuals, and till date there has not been a mechanism to actually regulate for the overall regulation of the sector as well as overall safety of the tourist. So we have come out with a policy on this matter, and we are now going to regulate it, and people who are interested in renting out the bikes and vehicles to the tourist will have to now register with the transport department to be able to rent their vehicles to tourists in the future. So those were the first two. One was for vehicles and one was for motorcycles.